Okay, we're going to be looking at the Paganini Caprice in A minor. This was a piece written for violin. Obviously, Paganini was a violinist. And this is an adaptation for piano. A very, very famous piece. Here it is. Cool. There it is. So the left hand, let's get that done first. Now I played it like this. 5, 4, and 2, but I don't suggest that you use this fingering. I just did it because it's easier to roll. I suggest that you do 3, 2, 1, and that you play it in chord form. Right? So just a block chord. Don't arpeggiate it. Maybe you can, if you want to, later when you get comfortable with the piece, you can roll it just as I did. But in the beginning, just learn it in chord form. 3, 2, 1. The next one, top stays. 5, 2, and the 1 is on D and E. Right? And then it just goes back and forth. Pretty straightforward, right? Nothing crazy there. Just be aware that you should be playing it staccato, so don't hold it down when you're playing. In the beginning, you can do whatever you want, but just when you start to learn it well enough to perform it, make sure that you play it short, staccato. And that's it. That's it for the left hand. Okay, so we're going to start with the first finger. The first note is long. Then all the successive notes, the next group of notes, is all equally short. Like that. So we have one long one, and then we get 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5. And this one is held. Next, again, equally short notes. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4. This one is held. And back up, equally short notes again. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, 5. And then another quick E, which also has a gap. So when you put it together, we get like that. That's pretty much it, right? When you put it together, we get and there you have it, folks. That is it. And then it repeats. Exactly. Those are like the first 8 bars. You have the exact same 4 bars repeated verbatim. And then we get this part. But you can check that out on our website. I'll finish the tutorial there. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll be happy to help. Feel free to subscribe, of course. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Take care.